Hello, everybody. Welcome back to Columbus Aviation and welcome back to Airport CEO. You probably noticed something a little bit different about our airport this time, our tutorial airport, which is this whole section here. I added 2 general aviation stands and a de-icing pad for small aircraft. And you're probably wondering why. I'll get to that. This is our tutorial on how to do fuel in Airport CEO. So for that reason, I thought, we might as well make a general aviation area so we can handle avgas as well. So in Airport CEO, there are 2 types of fuel. There are avgas, which are used on general aviation, and then there is Jet A1, which is used on every other stand. So medium stands, large stands, even small stands if they're commercial. So first, let's talk about avgas, the easiest one to set up. You're gonna need... Actually, I don't think you even need the commercial license. No, you do not need the commercial license. I'm sorry, you do not even need any R&D projects to unlock avgas. So what you need to do is place down an avgas depot. I'm going to use a small depot for avgas and a medium one for Jet A1. You just place down an avgas depot, and then the next thing you need to do is buy a fuel truck. So I'm going to buy 2 Fjord fuel trucks.
I didn't clarify this in the original recording, but make sure if you want to set up avgas, you're getting an avgas truck, or if you want to set up Jet A1, you're getting a Jet A1 truck. Avgas is red, Jet A1 is black. Hope that helps. Sorry about the mistake.
Trucks. And I'll kind of explain every part of this. So then you want to go into your economy and contracts menu and choose aviation fuel suppliers. And then you will hire whichever supplier seems like it makes the most sense. I took up AviFuel. Once you have that, these should be able to be serviced by avgas. Yep, so your fuel truck should be somewhere in here. Where is it? They're all the way down there, but I did turn it on. So these will now generate fuel revenue, and you will make some money from that. The next part I will explain to you is medium and Jet A1. So I'm going to put the medium here. No, where am I going to put the medium? I'm going to put the medium over here, right? And so, yeah, this could just be... Okay, so first I should mention, actually, you will need medium fuel tanks and the Jet A1 permit, which require the commercial license, and not the extended commercial license. And then after you unlock the medium fuel tanks, you can also unlock fuel tanks, which work for both Jet A1. So you can put these on, as long as they're attached to the depot, you can put these on the depot. So I think the maximum you can have is 7. Yeah, the maximum you can have is 7, I believe. And these will just add more fuel capacity to your tank. So I will leave those on like that. And then you already have a fuel contract signed, so all you have to do there is buy your fuel trucks, which I will buy the Maverick trailer trucks. We're kind of doing bottom of the line and top of the line, right? And then those will show up, they'll park at your airport, and then you can turn on Jet A1 fuel service. And just like that, if the fuel trucks will ever come back, you should start getting fueled. Now for the Maverick trailer trucks, you will need the Maverick trucks unlocked first, and then you'll need the Fjord trailer trucks, and then you'll be able to unlock the Maverick trucks, and that's with R&D as well. So they will go to your depot and fuel up, and then they will drive to the stands and fuel up the aircraft. Here you can see that happening just like that. And that's all this guy wanted, so he's gonna go and park at the thing, which is exactly how it works. And that's just about it for fuel. So that's going to do us for today. Thank you guys all so much for watching. Please be sure to check out some of my other content and subscribe. Columbus Aviation, signing out.